friendly and cozy. Beautiful X-Mex ornaments with pine cones decoration. Very beautiful and simple ideas. Here we are bringing for you very amazing and unique ideas of X-Mex decoration with cheap pine cones. Nature's gift pine cones are here. Hey everyone, welcome back to Wood and Warmth. Today we are diving into the heart of X-Mex creativity with three simple natural materials that never go out of style: jute, wood, and pine cones. If you have loved rustic, earthy X-Mex decor that fills your home with cozy charm and the smell of holiday, you are going to love these crafts. So grab a cup of hot cocoa but on your favorite holiday playlist and let's get crafting. Narrator. Let's start with something light, simple, and beautiful. A rustic jute star garland that will instantly warm up your space. Jute rope or twines, some cardboard or thick paper for this star shapes, white glue or a glue gun, and maybe a glitter light or white paint if you like that snowy touch. Cut and small star shapes about 3 inches wide. Now wrap the jute twine around each star, covering the cardboard completely. Don't worry about perfection. The charm of rustic crafts is in their little imperfections. Once all stars are wrapped, you can brush the tips with the little white paint or glue or sprinkle glitter to give them that frosted look. Now attach all your stars to a long piece of jute rope. Spacing them evenly, hang your garland on this fireplace, along shelves, or even around your X-Mex tree. It's amazing how something so simple, jute and cardboard, can look so magical under soft X-Mex lights. Next, we are moving to a pine cone or wood centerpiece, perfect for your dining table, and coffee table too. A few medium or large pine cones, you can collect them from your yard or buy them easily. A small wooden tray or even a slice of tree bark as the base. A few small twigs or wooden pieces, some fairy lights or small candles, and optional cinnamon sticks or dried orange slices for the cozy fragrance. Start by placing your wooden base in the center of your table. And optional cinnamon sticks. Start by placing your wooden base in the center of your table. Arrange the pine cones in the middle. Vary their sizes for a more natural look. Tuck in a small wooden twigs between the cones, almost like building a tiny forest scene. Add animation sticks or an orange slices here and there. This is not only looks festive but also smells heavenly. Finally, wrap the fairy lights gently around the arrangement or place small LED candles inside. When the lights go dim, this little centerpiece will glow with warmth or X-Mex, a simple reminder that beauty often comes from nature itself. Now let's make mini wooden X-Mex trees, charming little decorating for side tables, shelves, or even your office desk. For this, you'll need small wooden sticks or popsicle sticks, a hot glue gun, a piece of jute for decoration, and maybe some buttons, boards, or tiny pine cones for ornaments. Take 3 sticks and for a triangle, glue them together and make the tree shape. Add a small vertical sticks at the bottom as the tree trunk. Now you can wrap a thin strands of jute around the tree like garland, glue small buttons or beads as ornaments. Or if you have many pine cones, those look adorable too. Finish it off with the tiny stars on top, maybe made from folded jute or cut cardboard painted gold. These little trees are simple, rustic, and full of charm. You can make a few of them and place them together. It's like having a miniature wooden forest on your table. We are adding some warm glow to your space with jute wrap candle holders, empty glass jars, or small vases, jute twine glue, and maybe a ribbon charm or pine cone for decorations. Wrap the jute tightly around the jar, covering about 2/3 of it. You can add a lace ribbon around the top for a pretty contrast. Glue a tiny pine cone or wooden button on the front. Once the glue dries, place a tea light or LED candle inside and watch how the LED shines through the little gaps in the jute, creating a cozy rustic glow. It's like a tiny campfire for your living room, soft, warm, and full of heart. Now, for something that greets everyone who comes to your home, a wooden Xmas welcome sign. A small piece of wood or an old wooden cutting board, white paint or chalk paint, a brush, something rope for hanging, and maybe a few